If you need to recover your Wells Fargo Advisors account but don't have access to your email, follow these steps to regain access quickly. Step 1. Visit the Wells Fargo Advisors website. Go to the official Wells Fargo Advisors website using a secure internet connection. Look for the login section to begin the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRUT to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Choose alternative recovery options. Since you don't have access to your email, select an alternative recovery method, such as answering security questions or using your registered phone number for verification. Step 4. Verify your identity. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions or receiving a verification code via text message to your registered phone number. Step 5. Reset your password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it to complete the recovery process. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your Wells Fargo Advisors account. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting customer support for further assistance.